Thank you for joining me for their December Taize service. My name is Rev Rachel. I'm the minister at Unity Anchorage. And Taize is a time where we listen to music, we sing along if you'd like, we do some readings, and then we have quiet meditation time. And we'll do that 3 times. And so I invite you to sing along if you'd like, or you can just close your eyes and be in that meditative space the whole time, whatever suits your fancy. And this month, we're going to do a few Christmas songs that'll probably be familiar to you. Down his sweet head, the stars in the sky look down where he lay. The little Lord Jesus asleep on the hay. The cattle are lowing, the baby awakes, but little Lord Jesus no crying he makes. I love thee, Lord Jesus, look down from the sky and stay by my cradle till morning is nigh. The Gift of Presence by Kalila Volkov. When we sit in silence, we resemble glorious Christmas trees. At our crowns shine brilliant stars, their lights illuminating our inner vision. We are radiant. Nature bestows precious gifts laid out all around us, while angels alight gently on our shoulders. As Spirit's grace moves through us, we are filled with beauty, wisdom, and peace, adorned with the ornaments of comfort and joy. When our hearts awaken to the newborn babe within, we can behold the beloved child we all are. It came upon a midnight clear, the glorious song of old. From angels bending near the earth to touch their harps of gold. Peace on the earth, goodwill to men, from heaven's all gracious King. The world in solemn stillness lay to hear the angels sing. The Sacrament of Christmas by Howard Thurman. I will make an act of faith toward all mankind, where doubt would linger and suspicions brood. I will make an act of joy toward all sad hearts, where laughter pales and tears abound. I will make an act of strength toward feeble things, where life grows dim and death draws near. I will make an act of trust towards all of life, where fears preside and distrust keeps watch. I will make an act of love toward friend and foe, where trust is weak and hate burns bright. I will make a deed of God of all my days, and look out on life with quiet light. peace, 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 peace I am, peace, 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 love, 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 love I am, love, 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 peace, 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 peace I am, peace, peace, peace. From Reverend Claudel County. How shall we express love this Christmas? Perhaps we can look deeply into another's eyes, truly listen to what another is saying, see the blessing in everyone around the dinner table, shine our light and love, especially in difficult times. Let our very breath carry feelings of love for everyone, including ourselves. Remember with love the ones who have moved on. Give unconditional gratitude for everyone, no exception. Pay it forward, give an anonymous gift. Be loving in every thought, word, and action. We just take a moment in gratitude for this time of peace and stillness. May we carry the peace and the love, the joy, the wisdom, the faith and the hope of Christmas with us all throughout the year. And we will look forward to seeing you again next month, next year. Take care, friends.